Hello, this is the commissioner of EWL. We have opening series. We have the Beauties versus the Banana Monkeys. And yeah, this is two very good talents. Opening series. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty fun, and I think we're pretty well equally matched. Yeah, there's nothing much more. It's just gonna be lots of fun, and we're gonna have lots of games this year, hopefully, and more homers. Obviously, we didn't have much homers in season 1. Anyways,
Enjoy the show. Make sure to like and subscribe for more games. Alright. Peace.
Three out.
Oh, crap!
Oh, come on. That's a single, I think. Don't hit my phone. All right.
Holy crap!
Walk or reset count.
I'll try. My fastball is terrible.
Not a fastball. Go! Oh, that's a single. Bases loaded. Go! No! No! Are you? You should try robbing one. Go! All right, 3-0.
Bases loaded. Oh! Oh, that hurt. That's. Alright, guy on first.
3-1. Shit. Make that choice. And you're not getting in my scoring position. Alright, reset count.
I'm not
number 1.
swinging.
Strike 3! End of inning number.
That did not knuckle.
Reset count.
Holy crap!
I'll swing. Just give me a meatball. Woo! Single. Oh, that's a ground out. That's a ground out. That was a nice play.
I got that?
Yeah, that's a ground out.
That back.
All right, that's a walk. First on first.
Good thing your phone wasn't.
Walk.
That's foul.
That's in fair territory.
Damn it!
Okay.
Damn you!
Okay, let's go. Okay, into the third inning, tie game.
Damn you, ball!
Yeah, there's another ball over there. It's down there. Reset count. Bases loaded.
Yes!
No, but keep throwing riser. It's not really gonna work. 3-1. Go! Single. Yes, let's go.
It could send me to bat.
Let's go. Go. Okay. Oh, don't catch that. No! Oh, just.
Was that swing? It was a strike.
Well, it hit the zone. Oh, 1. Oh, 2.
Bro, you have no idea how much that slowed down.
I know.
It's coming and then it just went.